doing a little meal prep. So I thought I would bring you guys along. I'm cooking dinner while I'm doing it as well. But to show you the meal prep while everything is cooking. So let me show you what I've already done. Those are my sweet potatoes. I've already put them in the oven. There's 6 of them. Now it's time to prep the vegetables that are gonna go in there after the sweet potatoes are done. Broccoli, bell peppers, the yellow, the green, red, asparagus, ground turkey. I got salmon. Also have chicken that I got from Costco. And I'm gonna prep some of that too. And I'll show you guys breakfast. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my meal prep. We have 12 meals right here, 6 each, and this week's gonna be a good week. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!